This is the brand new $2,000 Monogram microwave, and as you can see, the clock is always off. This is the model number here. This is brand new, just manufactured in June 22. If you open the door, apparently that's the only time the clock comes on. If you close the door and you, for example, put the fan on, you do not get a clock. It goes off. So apparently, this is on their website. In 2016, they passed a regulation so you cannot have a light on your microwave. Go figure, $2,000 microwave, you can't have a clock. What's our government trying to say? There's some hacks. Some people say, well, you put the light on. Well, you always have to have a light on. And then to get the clock on, you actually have to open the door, close the door. Now you got a clock. Some people, they pull out the bulb, but then you don't get a light. You go to put the fan on. Fan goes off, no light, no clock. Now the light's on, no clock. How do you get the light? How do you get the clock back on? You got to open the door, close the door. Now you get a clock. I mean, this is ridiculous, right? $2,000. Thank you for watching.